How does it ride? Of course, it's sharp as ever. I already feel pain in my balls because I'm every time I release the gas, I move forward. It's very, very powerful engine braking. So I get it directly into my jam. Yeah, but this bike just makes you want to go. Of course, you have to be very smart about it. Already see. So even if you're not a skilled rider, well, I don't consider myself to be a very skilled rider, but it makes you feel like you're so nimble, you can do whatever you want, you know, you will figure it out.